talk to him today. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Love you too. Tell them no. Tell them no.
Trust me, this cat is a spy, not a sleeper.
Hi. Hello.
Two siblings who have been left alone with the snacks for 5 minutes.
Some dogs see a problem. Odie sees a challenge.
Why do you assume this dog talks to you with perfect grammar?
So I saw my cat outside, and I brought him in. But if that's my cat, who the f is this?
Okay, there's a wreck here, and there's a bunch of people down there, but look, all the cows are so concerned. Oh my god, they're all just watching. Wait, what happened?
Some cats enjoy proving stereotypes wrong.
Neighbor drama is so hot they have to take turns being nosy.
Nope.
What did you do?
Looks like she's writing cursive. It's beautiful. Looks like a cursive A. Or is it a penis? It looks like a penis. It is. Liddy, you do good work.
I think my dog has just found his true calling.
Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
Grab your toy. Blue, grab your toy. Grab your toy. Come on, yeah, your toy. It's right here. Toy. Yeah, your toy.
Luna!
You know, she was funny because I noticed when she jumped on the couch this morning, she like literally didn't.
He's being surprisingly polite about this.
In fairy tales, princesses get protected, but in this story, the prince needs her shield.
Good.
Someone demands the food quota needs to be respected.
We can put him in the trunk! Look at him!
I got a chip. Here, I'll get down to your level. Come here.
What's going on here?
This video has more cats than it looks like.
Oh no. Oh baby.
Pure happiness in dog form.
This puppy clearly misunderstood the rules of tail chasing.
Honey. Isn't that
Judge all you want. He's preheating his snoozing area.
Come on, buddy. Peanut. Hey, hey. Peanut. Peanut. Just a bit embarrassing. Come on. That's it. Yes.
Nope. Nope.
Other door.
Nope. Oh, nope. Fucking idiot. Stupid. Come on.
Oh, he's like.
He's acting like somebody ordered the rain.
I think your dogs need a factory reset. Both of them are clearly glitching.
Get it?
This is a next level DIY dog enrichment.
Must be a new camouflage technique. I'm impressed.
She came for a drink, but she ended up getting a shower instead.
No. 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 No, 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 no. No. Ragnar. Está
Winter update installed. Cats now run on shared heating systems.
Looks like this cat had one more birthday surprise. Sunshine, kisses, and a happy dog. Not a bad way to start the day.
Close your mouth. It's hot. Thank you.
Rolly, what are you doing?
Oh, let's get the second one. Oh my god. No, no. Rita, no, no, no. No.
Who are you? Who is this dog?
Behold, the great feathered flyer. Let's turn on dramatic entrance music. The lights are on, but nobody's home. Horsey is teaching us how to slide and dine.
I would like to introduce you to two of my babies. This is Bam Bam, the alpaca, and this is Brandy, the donkey. And they are absolutely addicted to me. I can't come out to feed or clean without
Husky wisdom. Scream first, think later, always.
You got one.
What are you doing? Keeper, what are you doing? Don't! But why? Like, what?
Besito, besito. Muy bien, pero un besito, no me muerda, no me muerda. Muy bien, ahorita vamos a saltar. Quédate ahí. Ven, dale. Vente. Vente. Bien, truco completo.
Husky logic. Don't question it, just survive it.
Oh my god.
glasses. She was a funky, plinky, plonky, winky, tinky, inky, pinky, funky, blinky, dinky, donkey. Yaw!
That's the third thing destroyed this week, maybe fourth. Who's counting?
She's just having too much fun.
When you walk in the kitchen and look out the window, and your dog's just out back playing.
Nothing melts hearts faster than watching a tiny furball fall asleep.
Do you want it, buddy? Do you want it, buddy?
You have a smooth brain.
His ambition level? 100%. His common sense? 0%. Let's do this.
Like a water slide. Smooth brain. Smooth.
Your dog's a tiny dictator when he's annoyed, and you know it.
Think you're an old man, aren't you? Good boy. Old man.
Không, cái kiểu nó vậy đó.
In fashion, we go bold, human. Don't you understand?
Cái kiểu cái mẫu vậy đó.
And who are you now? Vivian. Oh my god, how cute. What are you doing there? Oh my god.
Yeah, no, you're still digging. No, Fendi, 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 Fendi. Greg, bounce like this. Like you're punching it.
Other dogs would love this kind of training. Not this one, though.
But like stand up and punch, punch. There you go. Good girl.
This cat is sending a message that he's a tiny furry supervillain.
Manager Seal is definitely not happy with the quarterly fish reports.
I think you're outnumbered, Seal.
You've got early morning visitors.
Hello.
Nothing to see here, just a dog climbing his own Everest. Dogs were born for bonding, not for watching mom bond with her laptop.
All she wants to do is play.
Planking with a dog is a whole different level of exercise, folks.
I love to get in sparkly dresses. Touching me. She's touching me. I'm not touching you. You're touching me. Not touching. Touching me.
Get in here. Get in the house. Come on. Thank you. So.
Do you know yaks rely heavily on their sense of smell to locate food? My pup should work for Duolingo. His nudge is better and cuter.
He prepared a full performance just to welcome his human home. Adorable.
Hey, come on, Doug. Hold it right.
Trying to get dressed for work and there's a cat in my jeans. Viv, what are you doing?
Doggo's currently recalculating the terms of your friendship.
Even strong jumpers start with a few questionable attempts.
If a cat can get somewhere, it will probably try.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Me as soon as my boss said, all tasks done. No doubt this is me and my retirement goal.
What did you do?
Did you miss me while we're gone? You did. Yeah.
Goat's rule, if there's an obstacle, it's a challenge, and I must win. Let's learn how to do aquatic yoga with the capybara.
Why have we stopped?
Wait, sir. Wait, hold on. Wait, I don't know you. Wait a minute. Where did you go? Hi.
I'm Brisket.
This cat has a secret weapon. Just wait for it.
Somehow the back engine isn't working, so the fluffy boat depends entirely on the front ones to function.
When you just want to chill in the shade, but your plans get hosed, literally.
Gosta sim. Gosta sim, tá bom. Quando eu sair daqui, eu vou sair pior do que ela me colocou aqui no castigo, tá certo? E se brincar, ainda eu vou entrar pro crime. É. Você é rebelde, Eu vou mostrar pra ela que eu tô no espírito divino.
Clearly rehearsing for its lead role in The Phantom of the Aquapera.
Meow. Meow. Oh.
That was Every dog has their own bedtime routine.
Nature's version of work smarter, not harder. This baby definitely learned by carefully observing the adults. When diplomacy fails, forehead negotiation begins.
Oh, Tom Tom.
What?
Oh, hier, Pfeifen Erna. Na, wieder auf der Suche nach einer Schlägerei? Sieh zu, Junge, sonst ist hier ratzfatz zappenduster.
I think he likes Mom's chips. They're not bad. I like them.
That's hilarious.
The stairs just add that extra stadium feel to the match.
Someone please remind him he's got his entire life ahead to give cuddles to his tiny angel.
That's going a bit far.
Promise you this. I'll always look out for you. That's what I'll do.
Do you want to go for a walk?
Axel, Jason! Axel,
Forget adulting, all I need is a balloon to reach peak happiness. The tables have turned. The employee just got fired by the livestock.
Ja widzę, widocznie, no mój malutki.
Must be love at first sight because we haven't recorded any anteaters being friendly and clingy like this individual.
Come on, it's okay. It's okay. Oh my god! Okay, that right there is a prime example. Fainting goat.
My cat is being so bad right now. Look at him. No. No. Take your...
Puppy fact, tiny body, massive craving for human warmth. Basically a fuzzy little heater.
Сейчас я приду, скажу, где ты был. Встреча, долгожданная встреча. Да, сейчас. Долгожданная. Да я не враг.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for even more amazing animal moments. See you next time.
Science made her crave affection, but motherhood made it urgent.
我们他们在干嘛？没事，来看我们。就是那个猫猫一样来看我们，手拉手看我们。
This isn't just fetch. This is childhood core memories in progress.
If animals make your day a little better, don't forget to leave a like.
Hey, Bear. Good job.
I got you, homie.
You've heard with age comes wisdom, right? Yeah, not here.
You got a present for me.
Bailey, ¿quién es? Oh, madre mía. Bailey, tú tranquilo. Venga, sube, 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 venga.
Crap, what is that?
Bro.
Baby Panda logic. Attention matters more than everything. She's not bothering human. She's reassigning priorities.
In a dog argument, behold, the art of war, Chihuahua style.
At their first meeting, none of them knew they'd become best friends for life.
I just got home, I walked into this. Dude, I have no idea how long this has been on. It's on hot and it's humid as hell in here. What did you do?
Filmada!
I never feel the need to speak on drama, but I actually hate that little ginger bitch. I hate her. I hate her. I was.
All right, Midnight, go ahead.
Can we keep the fan club to a minimum? No touching.
You can make it the whole day without you doing something bad. Did you already do something bad?
Oh, hi, are we gonna do this together? You're a ham.
That camel must be having a side hustle in accessorizing.
Every tumble and flap is a step towards soaring like a pro. Even great flyers start like this. Sharing food, easy. Donkeys are built for teamwork.
You should probably go and download the internet. It's so funny. So look, I come in here, so we stand, we're walking next to each other. Then she bangs me a couple of times.
No. Go. 5, 4, 3.
Mom says these are friends and not chicken tenders. These are friends and not chicken tenders.